See how windy? I need that thing for my phone. Hi guys, it's Darren from Cyprus, and yes, we are live again in Ayia Napa. We're down in Protaras. It's a bit choppy today, the sea, look, it's a bit wild. As you can see, all the waves are crashing in, look, wouldn't be swimming in there today. Hello, hello, Zena the cat, I can see you. Hi Oliver. Hi Jamie, hello. We're down in Protaras in Cyprus, and it's a bit of a mixed day of overcast and windy day today. I hope you can hear me okay. I've got my hands over the phone a little bit. Hi guys, hi, thanks for joining. Sorry I haven't been live for a while. Been busy getting over a cold, but yeah, here we are. Hello, hello. Hi Rosie, hi, thanks for joining. Any questions? We're down in Protaras in Cyprus. As you can see, the sea's quite rough today. Look, we're going to walk down the jetty and have a look at the big waves. Look at the waves. Hello, hello. Hi guys, thanks for joining. We'll have a walk. We'll walk the plank, as we say. I was here last week, or week before was it? And we were live. It's a bit of a different day today, a bit more windier. Trying to cover the mic a little bit. So. Hello, thanks for joining. God, look at these waves crashing up. Look. I won't go too close. Hello, thanks for joining. Share the live, give us a like. We're going to be feeding some cats today, see if we can find any. They're probably all hiding because of the... I'm not going to go too close because it's splashing right up here. Look at this. I'll stand out the wind. Look around this side here. Wow, look at this. You're definitely getting splashed today. Hi guys. Hi Steve. Thanks for joining. Hope you like the live. If you want to give us a like, share the live. I'm just going to share it a little bit, I think. Let's have a look. We're in Protaras in Cyprus. Like I say, it's a bit of a mixed day today with wind and a bit windy, a bit overcast, but still warm, still 20 degrees-ish. Still shorts and t-shirt weather this time of year. So we're going to be having a walk down the boardwalk in Protaras. Yeah, that's the sea view. If you know where we are, having a walk today. Hello, thanks for joining. Hello. Just sharing the live, 1 second, and I'll be with you. Hello. Just sharing the live, 1 second, and I'll be with you. Well, I wouldn't anyway. Unless you're a surfer dude, I think you'd be alright. Hello, thanks for joining. We're down in Protaras, we're on the boardwalk, having a walk down. Them waves crashing up. Hello Star, hello, thanks for joining. Give us a like the page, tap the page, share the like. So although it's overcast and windy, it's still quite warm. Still in shorts and t-shirt. Still warm weather. God, these waves are really crashing up over here. Look. Lovely. Look at them. I'll have a walk over. I won't go too close. Here we are. Look. Here we are, look. Definitely crashing up, isn't it? I mean, it's quite rough here. Shouldn't come over here, I'll go back this way. We're having a walk down towards Fig Tree Bay. That's where we're walking towards. And you get wet here, look. See all the waves splashing up. Okay. Not much to see this bit. There's just bushes. Normally a few cats down here. I saw a couple last time, if you remember, when I was on the live. I like to come down here for a walk. This time of year it's nice and quiet. Not many tourists. Just the beginning of the season, just starting. Everywhere's just opening up and getting ready for season. All the tourists are coming. I wonder if the fishermen are out in that today. They probably are. They probably don't mind the sea being like that. Look at it all rolling up, look at that. Hello, hello, thanks for joining. If you like the live. Trying to talk. We're walking along here. There's a little play bar here, the children's play area, bar and restaurant, all open and ready. And that's the view they'll have when they're sitting there eating. It's not bad. It's alright. Hello, thanks for joining in. Give us a like. Let me know you're there. Say hello. These waves, look. We want to swim in there, would you? Got another restaurant here. Sorry about the wind. Can you hear me okay? Have a look. Trying to say that's better now, like the wind, but I'm gonna go around and see these big waves. Look at the waves. I was down at the beach today and I said, do you want to give us a wave? Yeah, look, more waves. So yeah, we're down in Protaras in Cyprus. Yeah, it's about 20 degrees, 21 degrees today. Windy, overcast, but still t-shirt and shorts weather. Quiet season, not many people here at the moment. So I'm trying to see the phone, I can't see with it. Hi, thanks for joining. Give us a like, tap the page, say hello. Any questions, anything you want to ask about Cyprus? If I know, I can tell you. Thanks for joining. You have to excuse me, I've still got a bit of a cough from having my cold, but I've got over it now. I feel loads better. So that's why I'm back out doing my lives. We're in Iron Upper, stroke Protaras, Fig Tree Bay Way, those that know it. Hi Stephen, thanks for joining. Is it, I'm trying to read the writing. Holly, thanks for joining. We're in Cyprus, Fig Tree Bay, on the way to Fig Tree Bay. This is opening soon, October. Another bar down here. That'll be opening in October. She's having a refurbishment. Ready for the summer next year, I think. So it's a bit windy today. The sea's a bit choppy. Very nice, isn't it? Nice. Give us a like. Hello, thanks for joining. Hope you like the live. We're down in Cyprus, Protaras, on the way to Fig Tree Bay. There's all the hotels along there, look. Now it's opening out into, you can see a bit better now. Sea's a bit rough today, look. Not seen any cats yet. They're probably all asleep still. Normally sleeping. So we walk along this boardwalk which goes for miles. I think it goes all the way to Iron Upper from here. But we're only going to Fig Tree Bay. Hello, thanks for joining. Just showing you a bit of Cyprus. Protaras. This time of year is a bit quieter. Sea's a bit rough. All the hotels getting ready for summer. Yeah, there's one. Yes. Hello. Come on. Come here. Hello. Saw you last time, didn't I? There he is, look. Hello. Hello, kitty. You're lovely. Look at him. Colours on him. He's lovely, look. And this is a street cat. Lives wild. People come down and feed him. Has he had his ear done? No, it hasn't been done. You're not having any babies, are we? Eh? You're not having any babies, are you? Oh, yes, it has been done. See the ear there, look. See? See, it's cut off the end. Look, see the difference? It's been neutered. So no babies for you then. Eh? Here's lovely. Look at him in the grass. All the straw. You're lovely, ain't you? What's the plan? Oh, it's lovely, look. Ever so friendly. Some of them scratch and bite. You're not careful, but he's friendly, nice and friendly. Oh, he's a lovely, ain't you? See the eyes on him. See your eyes. See your face. Oi. Say hello to everybody. Oh, bless you. You got the cold. We'll move on. So, like I say, they get well fed. He drinks the water from here, this fountain. Let's see if it works. It's not working. Let's try that one. It's disconnected, look, see? He's got water there, see? Here's his bowl. He's getting all cleaned, ready. And he's getting wiped down, ready for the summer. Sonia! Sonia!
Sorry?
Sonia! Sonia? Sonia. Here we are. This is part of the cafe and restaurant, beach restaurant. All opening up soon. Again, getting ready for the summer. Going down towards the beach now. Only a few cats along here. I'll point them out when I see them. Hello, thanks for joining. And just get my glasses on so I can see. Thanks for joining. Say hello. Any questions? We're down in Cyprus. We're down in Cyprus, Protaras, on the way to Fig Tree Bay. This is where I was last time, but it's a different kind of day today. Overcast, bit choppy, the sea. You don't want to go swimming today. You can paddle a bit, but I wouldn't go out there swimming in that. Give us a like, let me know you're there. Hi guys, thanks for joining. Back to where they book the boat trips. I was here last time. Like I say, it's a different day today. It's a bit choppy, overcast. Still t-shirt and shorts though, although it's windy. You can hear me with the wind, I don't know. I'll try and cover the mic at the bottom as best I can, so you can hear me. So I'll walk down this way away from these. There we are. I've got the new canopies on top of the boat trip hut. You can book all your boat trips. Look, it's all been redone. That's nice new roof put on there. And there's the beach. Look, all the umbrellas are going in now. Look, last time we came there was only poles and the umbrellas wasn't there. I did say there's all going to be umbrellas be putting out soon. As you can see them all. Look. Hi. Hi Selena. You alright? Give us a like, tap the page.
Hi Selena. Hi.
We're just down in Protaras by the beach. Do my live. Share the live for me if you can. To the family. Let them have a look. Bit choppy today, Celine. But look, here we are. Still beautiful. All the umbrellas are going in now. Ready for the summer. Tap the page, give us a like. People there on the beach, look, getting some sun rays. I wouldn't sit behind those chairs. That's up to them, I suppose. Hi Celine, looks beautiful. Yeah, it's lovely. Oh, looks lovely. Thanks Celine. Give us a like, Celine, and a share. Share it to Luke if you want. Let him have a look if he's got time. He's maybe at work, is he? But look, this is where we are. And there's all this umbrellas going in now, ready for summer. All the beds are going down, ready for the summer. Hello. Thanks for joining. Hola. Thanks for joining. Bonsoir. Hello. Like I say, we're down at the beach today. Bit choppy, I won't be swimming. Hi. Is it Esme? Hi. Sorry, I can't see this poem very well because of the sunlight. So I'm trying to read and see. Hang on. Hi, thanks for joining. Give us a like and a share if you don't mind. Helps the page grow. We're down in Protaras in Cyprus. We're on the way to Fig Tree Bay. I was here last time, but last time I came there was no umbrellas, there was no beds going down. Everything was all the sand was getting sorted out. But now, there's normally a few cats here, bear with me. Waves are choppy, yeah, very choppy. I wouldn't be swimming in that today. Still t-shirt, like shorts, you know, still warm, still 20 odd degrees. But if you wanted to come in the quieter season, you'd have to take a plane from a London airport maybe, flying to Cyprus. Nobody here at the moment. But come like beginning of April, middle of April and onwards, it'll just get busier and busier. And like you can't walk really down here. It's like really packed. Yeah. Thanks for joining. Give us a like. We know you're there. We're down in Protaras, Cyprus. Walking towards Fig Tree Bay on the boardwalk. All the hotels are getting ready now, look. All the chairs are going in. Tables, lights. All working hard, getting it ready for the summer. But that's what you want to see. You want to see the beach, don't you? You don't want to see that. You want to see the beach. Thanks for joining. Give us a like if you want to like the page. Give us a share if you don't mind. Just a share. There's a few more umbrellas gone in here. Some white ones down here, blue down the bottom. I think they're all different colours for the hotels. This is going up now. This Bikini Beach bar. Getting ready for summer. That one. Okay, cool. Some people down at the beach enjoying the sun. We're on holiday. All the beds are going in now. Remember when we came last time? There was no beds. Actually, I think the hotel's actually open now. There's people there. Some more beds there. Look. All going in, ready for summer. I think the hotels are actually open now. Get booking your holidays, folks. Get yourself down to Fig Tree Bay in Cyprus. Look, the Supreme Hotel. You got that sea view and that lovely beach there. Look, Supreme Hotels. Thanks for joining. Some more blue umbrellas there, look. You can hear me okay because of the wind. Head on down. All the beds are there going in ready. Look. The Flamingo Paradise Beach Hotel. Getting ready. Plenty of places to stay down here. That's the sea view you'd have if you stay in them rooms there. You'll have that view of the beach. Carry on down. Hi guys, thanks for joining. You still there, Celine? What do you think? Are you watching? Beautiful, lovely place.
You should have finished the night shift.
Maybe it's getting ready for school. Are you still there? Absolutely beautiful. And I'll pin that. Pin comment. Oh yeah, you're welcome, Celine. You know that. There's a red flag, look. And you all know what the red flag means, don't you? No swimming. No.
Choppy.
Unless you're a surfer dude and you can manage them waves and you're a good swimmer. I wouldn't go in there. Look. Yeah, Celine, look at this. Got all that beach to yourself if you come this time of year. Can you hear me okay? There's the red flag there, look. You're eating your toast. Enjoy your toast, Celine. We had toast. We're on the way to Fig Tree Bay. Having a walk down. Enjoy your toast. Hello, thanks for joining. Give us a like, tap the page, share the page. Say hello, Lee.
Hi.
Hello, is that Jem? Jem? So I can't see the phone very well because I would be in the winter. Well, you know what? It's 20 odd degrees today. I'm in a t-shirt, Selena, and
27,
shorts. Up to 27. Well, I mean, it's overcast, look, but the sun's just trying to get through.
And it's 11 o'clock here.
You would be in the water dipping your toes in. That's the only thing you could probably do is dip your feet in. I wouldn't go swimming in that. A bit dangerous. Unless you're a very strong swimmer. Now, if you're looking for a job, there's some work down here for a massage therapist. If you do that kind of stuff, you could be massaging, looking out at that. Look, why work inside when you can look at that? It would be hot though in the summer. Hi, Lena, she says, Lee.
Hi, Selena.
Miss you too.
Miss you. Day off for us today.
Yep.
No work today. Day off.
Back in tomorrow.
Yeah.
What you had on your toast, Selena? Just butter? Or do you have marmalade? Or do you have jam? Or do you have Marmite?
Ooh, no.
It's the growing up spread you never grow out of. Here we are. The ice cream man's just arriving. Get your ice creams while you can. And there's the kitties, look. Oh,
Hello.
It's got a bit of mange, I think, that one.
Yeah.
Hello. And there's a big, and there's this, see he's here, look,
Yeah.
see? See how it's cut off? See it, Celine? Let me see. You let me touch him. Oh, hello.
Hello.
See the ears flat there, look. That's because they've been neutered. This white one, I don't know about this white one, I don't know what's going on with his
Got a
skin.
bit mange.
Yeah.
Don't touch him.
I never touched
Yeah,
his
don't
back.
touch him.
Come here, you. Hello, come and say hello. Hello, kitty. There's normally a black cat up there as well. Up there, hiding.
Isn't
See
it?
the one up there?
Ginger.
The ginger. Oh, there's the ginger boy. Like my Charlie. Oi, ignorant. Say hello, ginger boy. Hey, it's okay, don't worry. I'm not gonna hurt you. You see his ear, look, see? So it's been neutered as well. No more babies for you, mister. No. No more babies for you. No. Look at he's got his ear done, look, see? So they cut that one. And they've clipped there, see? So. Oh, he's lovely, look at him. You're lovely, Ginger, but you're a little bitey. You bit me last time. Because they got that temperament the gingers have. You're lovely. Can you say hello? Yeah? Oh, okay. There you are. Oh. Looks like Charlie, I know. That's what I said. Yes, yes. You alright? That's the ice cream man. Yeah, he's a big ginger. He bit me last time, he did, Celine. And scratched me, yeah. There's that ginger temperament that they've got. That's what they do. Because I know from Charlie what he's like. What they're like. So there's all the beds, look. All the beds. Which bed would you have, Celine? One at the front by the sea? Or would you go over there in the actual sand? Where would you be? There's all beds, look, going in for the hotels. All getting them all ready for the summer, which is cool. And there's another red flag there, look, saying don't swim. You'll be on your own at the back with the kids. Yeah, don't blame you. See, some people here sunning. Yeah, you can sit down for a minute, yeah. Sit further down. Because I'm filming. Yeah, I know. Oh, lovely. Bet you can't wait, Celine, can you? Till you can come over. It's lovely, isn't it? No, Celine's chatting. What's she saying? I know, it's difficult to see. I can't wait. If you never had a Disney World, I would have. Oh no, I know you would.
Well, you're going away as well, aren't you? You've got a couple of nice things planned, Selena.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a beautiful day here today. It's just right. There's a little bit of a breeze. So it's quite nice out.
Give us a like, tap the page. We're down in Protaras, near Fig Tree Bay in Cyprus. It's a bit windy today. Give us some love. Give us some likes. We're walking towards, we've walked from, what's that place called again?
Banana.
And we're walking towards Fig Tree Bay today. There's a few people down here. We're getting all the beds ready for the hotels. All the benches, all the beds are going out on the sand now. All the umbrellas are going in. Or they're in, ready for the summer. Sea's a bit choppy though. I won't be swimming in that. I'll take you down to the sea and have a look. The sand is ever so soft. Look at the sand. Look how soft that is. The sand's lovely. It's not hard. A few little stones here and there. But I'll go down to the beach. Try not to get no sand in my shoe. You can get your own table and chairs, set it up down here. Look at that, it's lovely. A few holidays planned, I know. It'd be lovely, Celine, to see you all. And if you all come over, get yourself down. Quick. It's getting me. This is a beach on the way to Fig Tree Bay. And it's all soft sand, look. And it goes for miles. Look, all the way that way. And then you got it all that way. Thanks for the rose, guys. Thank you. Thank you for the rose. Well appreciated. Then you've got this boardwalk here. Is that? We've got to go carry on, haven't we? Big trees only there, isn't it? See the island there? It's only there.
Yeah?
Yeah. And then we can walk back. You're on the beach, you've got the places to wash your feet, look. So we're going to get rid of the sand. Nice slope down to the beach, look. Instead of you jumping down the steps, there's steps all the way along to the step. So you can step down into the beach if you wanted to. But yeah. You just got to go down here, past the next load of cats. I'll show you some more cats down here. Oh yeah, thanks for joining, give us some likes, thank you, thanks for the gifts guys. I'll pin that to the thanks for the gifts, thanks for the likes. It's got me running now. Like I say, you can come down here and have a jog, you can have a walk, slow walk, you can sit down, stop off at the hotels, have a drink. There's places to drink, places for food. We can just spend the day here at the beach, it's lovely. Thanks for the likes guys, thank you. Share the page. People sunbathing, look. Got the jet skis out ready, got a boat ready for the sports. These hotels getting ready. No benches here or beds yet, or umbrellas yet, but they are getting ready. Jet skis, more umbrellas, more beds going in. And that's the end of the beach here, but there's another beach on the other side which I'll show you in a minute. That's how there. Fig Tree Bay, yeah, that's where we are. How do you know? Have you been? You been before? You been to Fig Tree Bay? Where we are. Getting everything ready, look. Ready for the boat trips and water sports, jet skis. Oh yeah, you like it there? You like Fig Tree Bay? It's lovely, isn't it? Ice cream, look, ice cream van here. There's normally cats around here, they've all gone. The table's gone from here as well. Remember that table? Oh, there he is. There's one. There's two. Here they are. Here's the kitties, look. Hello, Ginger. Just say hi, Celine. What did you say? Yeah, happy Good Friday to you too. For all those that are fish eaters, only on a Good Friday. We're going for fish and chips today. So there's all. Oh, there's Bat Cat. He's back. Remember last week? Last time I come, I says, "Oh, Bat Cat's down here." Here he is. He looks like he's got a bat mask on, like Batman. Well, to me anyway. Probably not to you guys. Come and say hello then. Say hello to you. Hello. Hello, Bat Cat. I wonder if you'd gone. Enjoy your fish and chips. Thanks, Celine. We will. We'll enjoy our fish and chips today. What's the matter? See his face, look. Hang on. Look. Hello, Bat Cat. I called him Bat Cat. So I remember doing a live before and someone said it looks like he's got a Batman's mask on. What's the matter? What's the matter, kitty? Ah, oi, no swiping. None of that. None of that, you. See? You must have ginger in him. You got ginger in you?
I don't like the back end touch.
Here's a swiper. No swiping. They do that sometimes. Let's see if I can give him a pet over here. See if he'll stay. This big old tabby boy. Hello, tabby. Hello. No swiping. Look, he cut me. Look, see the blood. His old claws. I have to get the antiseptic wipes out. Thanks for liking the live. Share it please if you can. Oh, I couldn't. Lovely. His back, cat's back. I thought he was gone. Then you got your volleyball. Play volleyball. The cats love it in there. They treat it like a litter tray. I've seen them in there. Sorry to say, but that's what they do. What was it? Thanks for the likes, guys. Give us some love. Share the page. Let's just go down by that fence and just stand there. Then we can go back. So thanks for joining us on our journey up to Fig Tree Bay. Obviously you can go there and have the views. Bring your padlocks, get your padlocks engraved and bring them and pin them to the fence over there. That's what people do. And then you've got this beautiful view in the summer months. The sun's coming out now, so it's getting nice. So I'll give you the last view of the sea, then I'm going to go, guys. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you all again soon. Take care, guys. What was that you said? Will you get another one? Get another what? Yeah, definitely. See you all next time. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for all the gifts. Well appreciated. Bye everyone. Bye Celine. Bye everybody.